Your mind is your most precious resource, and it is necessary to be very careful about the advice you allow into your mind and where it comes from. Just as we put locks on doors to prevent the entry of unwanted people, we must protect our minds from unrecommended messages. Each of us has within ourselves a winner and a loser in constant conflict. It is about mastering the mind so that the emotion of winning is stronger than the fear of losing. In the game of life, 99% of success depends on your mental attitude and how you face challenges. The most powerful asset we possess is our mind. Financial freedom goes beyond money. It is a mental, emotional, and educational process. Wealth is a state of mind. Invest in your mind, and your pockets will fill. Your wealth or poverty results from who you are, not from what you gain or lose. It is a matter of mentality and philosophy of life, of how you face problems and reality. Ultimately, it is a matter of attitude. Money without financial intelligence is quickly lost. Similarly, the lack of money with financial intelligence allows recovery sooner or later. The money game is crucial, and many people are poor because they know nothing about it. In school, we learn to work for money instead of learning how to make money work for us. The power of money and the lack of knowledge explain why many intelligent people are poor. Never say, "I can't afford it," and change it to, "How can I get it?" The first invokes sadness, distrust, leading to despair, and sometimes depression. The second question opens possibilities, emotions, and dreams. There are no limits. The only limits are in the mind. The phrase, "it can't be done," turns strong people into weak ones, blind into people who can see, sad and unhappy. Words are energy. They create reality, so we must be very careful with them. It's all a matter of study, try, fail, learn, keep trying, without giving up until you find the desired path. If you really want to make money, don't allow yourself to make excuses and commit to finding alternatives to achieve it. The number one factor in becoming rich is having the determination to want to be an asset, something that puts money in your pocket. A liability is something that takes money out of your pocket. So, what matters is learning how the money game works. Financially prosperous people focus on their asset column, while the rest focus on their income column. It is the difference between working to earn money and allowing money to work for you. Money will not bring happiness if you are already an unhappy person. Its absence has a greater negative impact below a certain level than its positive impact above that level. Happiness is primarily an inner state related to your own essence. If you are not at peace with yourself, more money will not bring lasting satisfaction. It can temporarily satisfy your dissatisfaction, but it will never structurally solve the problem. If the intention is to make money to stand out or prove your worth, money will never bring happiness. Discipline offers a good quality of life. My poor dad believed that money made someone rich, while my rich dad stated that financial habits were what truly enriched a person. There are two particularly important financial habits. Firstly, the habit of saving to invest in the future. No matter how much you earn, setting aside a monthly percentage of earnings is essential. The crucial difference between the rich and others is that the former acquire luxuries through investments, i.e., passive income, while the rest acquire luxuries by spending active income first. Therefore, the savings capacity is limited. The second important habit is investment. Money must be invested considering that interest generates more interest. The rich understand the magic formula of compound interest. The larger the capital, the larger the base on which new earnings are calculated. And for this, time is the best ally. The sooner you start, the sooner you will achieve financial freedom with much less effort. From my rich dad, I learned about financial intelligence, which allowed me to discern and not be deceived about how to truly achieve lasting and much desired wealth. The feeling of being on the verge of bankruptcy and despair is something I know well. Now, I have achieved happiness, comfort, and, most importantly, financial freedom. I conquered all this because I discovered long ago that there are 8 lies about money perpetuated by the elites, corrupt governments, and dishonest banks. The first lie is that job security is crucial. My rich dad challenged this mindset, creating his own jobs instead of working for others. The second lie is that the secret to success is hard work. Working smart is more effective than working hard. It's not just about making others work for you, but making money work for you. The third lie is that all debt is bad. The rich understand the difference between bad debts that impoverish and good debts that contribute to enrichment. The fourth lie is that the government will take care of you in retirement. Don't trust this lie. The government cannot take care of you as you can take care of yourself. The fifth lie is that money is not that important. While it's not everything, it is incredibly important for peace of mind and happiness. The sixth lie is that money is the root of all evil. Money is just a tool, and wealth can be the reward for working and investing smartly. The seventh lie is that the rich are greedy. Associating negative feelings with the rich is a misconception. The eighth lie is that higher education is always the answer. School teaches to be an employee, not an entrepreneur. Education, especially in Latin America, does not instruct on how to live autonomously. Do not believe what we have been told since childhood, that God prefers us to be poor. Many who are rich today have gone through times of scarcity, but that was the turning point to achieve current success. As long as you are hungry, your mind will remain alert to solve problems. Do not let fear and hunger lead to decisions that go against your goals. Words have power, and it's all a matter of study. Try, fail, learn, and keep trying without giving up until you find the desired path. If you really want to make money, do not allow yourself to make excuses. Commit to finding alternatives to achieve it. Investing in yourself is not just about money but acquiring knowledge, developing healthy habits, and strategies that improve the quality of life. Programming yourself by visualizing success, starting the day early, keeping things simple, and nurturing curiosity will put you on the path to overcome the challenges of the selfishness of poverty and explore a fascinating world of achievement and wealth creation.